The sun, look at that, look. Oh yeah, oh my god, wait, it's upside down.
Hello, I like eating food. This is good.
I think my team will definitely win. Sunny's good competition, but we're gonna crush them.
Okay.
Whoa!
What? Oh wait, what? So I took my math test and I don't think I failed. It went fine. Hey, I'm vlogging now.
What's
so,
up?
You know, if I like don't get into college, I have something to fall back on.
Same.
Hi. Thomas. We out here in that AP Chem life, you know. Probably gonna get that dank 2 on the AP test, but you know, here's the Fives Club, 2. Yeah. So.
Candice, help me.
Alright, so here's just one way of building it, right? So again, pretty basic.
I don't know how to CAD. Hello, Vincent.
Hi.
We're gonna have a cheer off later, right?
I'm already winning.
Huh?
I'm already winning
How are you winning?
because I have more enthusiasm.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Maybe instead of vlogging, I should just do ASMR. Wait.
I like ASMR. I actually like ASMR. It's fucking
I
good,
like the
though.
putty ones. I can't go over how shaky this is. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm gonna zoom this in on Vincent's head, and then the next time we come back, we'll be at Chipotle. So, bye.
I'm going.
The sun, look at that, look. Oh yeah, oh my god, wait, it's upside down. Wait, I'm the worst vlogger in the history of vloggers.
SpongeBob or Xylon?
Hey y'all, my name's Ashley. I like country music.
Doesn't think that I'm cheering, but you know, you want to watch me cheer right now? Let's go.
You can't
That
even talk
kid's
to the
name is
freshman
Will.
guys.
I'm cutting that out. Hopefully I get better at this. I mean, as of right now, am I in frame? Okay, good. You know, right, as of right now, I can't really stay in frame, not vlog upside down. Yeah, you know, I'm already getting better. It's been one day, so we're just gonna keep rolling with it and head back to the game. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, Chris Hong for the drive. Oh no, it's okay. Oh yo, oh, Drew's running. Oh, how is that a foul?
I feel like you say things and you don't even know what's going on.
No, yeah, I actually don't. But you know, fake it till you make it. So, we're winning by 13 points currently. 6:11 on the clock. You know, comment below if you think I'd be a good basketball commentator. I mean, I think I would, but I don't know, some people don't think I would. I mean, like,
Can't even be a cheerleader.
I think I'd be entertaining. At the very least, I'd be entertaining.
Dane!
Dane! And Ryan! And Jagger! And Riley! Yeah, Dane, nice pass. Oh, I like that! Bar rotation. Ooh. Yeah, Ryan! Ryan! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Ryan! 10! More basketball! So yeah, that's the final score. Yeah, you know, I'll see you again during girls varsity game.
Who's our me again? Candice. No!
Actually, no. Both of you guys.
I was loud. I was significantly loud. How was your game? Thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs in the middle.
Hey, I like that pass to the end though. On the backboard. I don't know. On the backboard.
Dang, did you hear my cheer for you?
What?
Did you hear my cheer for you?
Yeah, multiple times.
Yeah. Woo!
Who was louder, me or Candice? Who was louder, me or Candice? Hell no.
Yeah. Loser! Wait, look, wait. Vincent, look at me, look at me.
What?
Can you give me your hand?
Number 10, senior Michelle. Number 11, sophomore Gabby. Number 21, sophomore. And number 23, senior Haley.
Hello, Mila, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Hi, Mr. Kim! Mr. Kim! Go get
Love all my hoes, and all my hoes love me.
Okay.
Senior Travis Nichols.
Hey.
Yes, I'm gonna start vlogging.
No way.
Huh?
You're gonna vlog?
Yeah.
On me, vlog.
Hello, Kaylee. Hello.
Alright, let's go up there.
Say hello, Katie.
Hello!
Why are you vlogging?
Because I'm practicing my video skills.
It's a new thing, huh?
Yeah, it's a new thing.
Gotta hop on the train.
Hello, Isaiah.
Hello. Trevor's
Did
first
you hear me?
thing.
Oh my
First.
god!
Oh, no, what? I wouldn't buy a part.
Did you hear me?
Oh, wait, I don't have it with me. What the hell?
Did you hear me? Was I the best cheerleader
Yes, you
tonight?
were.
Yes, thank you.
Hello, thank you for watching. Yeah, sorry, the editing is really trashy and I'm recording on a ghetto phone, but you know what? It's all good. You know, I'm here for improvement. I'm here for learning, just for the experience, you know, existentialism, you know, what was it? I forgot, but you know, I'm adding to my essence, so yeah. Goodbye. See you guys tomorrow. Maybe I'll vlog Friday's game against Fullerton. We'll see. I don't know. Maybe if I'm not lazy. But yeah, bye.